Hello everyone, welcome back to the Code Syndicate. In this video, we will do a quick exercise of what we learned in previous videos. So, without wasting time, let's begin. Exercise 1. Find the area of a rectangle. Given sides are 4 cm and 9 cm respectively. Here, if we take a rectangle, you can see a rectangle has two equal opposite sides. That means these two sides and these two sides are equal in length. So, to find the area of a rectangle, we have this formula. That is area of rectangle equals A into B. So we can assume this side as A and this side as B. Now let's implement this in code. Let's declare two variables for the two sides of the rectangle. So let side 1 colon, let's take I8 data type equals, we have 4. Let side 2, this will be also a I type, equals 9. Now let's declare the result. Let area, which will be also a I type, equals side 1 into side 2. Run the code. Here we got the answer. If you want to have a more correct answer, what you can do is you can have the unit also. So this is centimeter into centimeter, which is centimeter square. So run the code. 36 centimeter square, or you can put this square in front as it is more convenient. Run the code. Now let's get back into the exercise number 2. The question is, find the area of a triangle given base is 10 centimeter and height is 12 centimeter. The formula for area of the triangle is area of a triangle equals base into height divided by 2. Let's get back to the editor and implement it in the code. Now change this side 1 to base, which will be 10 centimeter, and side 2 to height, which will be 12 centimeter. Now to find the area, we have the formula base into height divided by 2. Change this to triangle, run the code, and we get 60. So that is it for this video. Next, we will see the two types of memory concept, that is stack and heap. So stay tuned and do subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video.